do it.
It's a pretty gringo move, man. Losing your sunglasses under the boat.
Christian?
We're at Helicopter Island.
What's here?
Well, it's an island. I don't know about a helicopter. Oh, then we'll find out. We took a boat out from Nido town. Just showed up on the day we were going to leave, and they had to come back for us because they wanted to sell the extra 2 seats.
Yeah, so all these people had to turn around and come back just for us.
Don't hate the game. No, wait.
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Yeah, that.
Particular area, the shape of the island looks like a whale shark. That's why they call it whale. Then we got next to Hidden Beach, and then Secret Beach, one for snorkeling and Matinloc Shrine or the Kadlaw Lagoon. Depends.
I'm gonna do it. This worked out.
It's a pretty gringo move, man. Losing your sunglasses under the boat.
I had to get the tour guide to go in and get it for me, man. Pretty gringo.
You gonna give him a tip?
Nope.
Here's a tip for you. Don't do shit for free.
On a remote Pacific island, here we find ourselves in the same boat, quite literally and figuratively, as everybody else. I've come to realize that most of the shit on Instagram seems to be the same. Like the town of Hallstatt in Austria. Everybody takes the same picture from the same spot. So you don't even need to go there. You won't experience anything different. But people are just obsessed with this. It's just trying to get the same picture as everybody else to prove that they were there. Yeah. Rather than living in the moment. This is a pretty fucking special place. And this is probably the least good one of the trip.
It's nice that it's not built up, no shops or anything.
Except we both want a beer.
Yeah. How do we make that happen? Someone should build a shop here or something. Told you, we should get that bottle of whiskey.
Still haven't seen any in any of the convenience stores. I'd be really lucky. It's all water and individual sachets of toothpaste.
Right, who needs an individual sachet of toothpaste? Like, who's brushing their teeth once and going, well, that's it for that month?
When you can't afford the whole thing. I think you're forgetting. Remember that house we went to yesterday? Middle of nowhere. It was just some shack that some guy built on a hill.
Yeah.
Those are the kind of people that have to buy toothpaste whenever they can, rather than buying a whole tube. Oh, come on, darling. Today I'll treat you. I'll buy you a whole tube of toothpaste for Christmas.
Oh, is it Christmas?
Oh, they're still trying to take the same picture.
Beach. There's no shoreline, we just have to swim to get there. We're about halfway. It's pretty cool. Looks like this is it. Wow.
Oh, you gotta get a suit.
Yeah. Oh well. Outwitted by coral.
Well, they evolved before we did, and now we're killing them. And they're fighting back.
1 foot at a time.
Yep.
Going back to the boat.
Oh, it's spiky. Life, is it? Nope. Where are we, Greg?
Some sort of secret hidden beach again. Another one. They're everywhere.
But everyone's here, so it's not that secret.
I'm going in. It's Abby.
Time to go.
So many people.
Oh, just not for those sort of seats. Yeah.
Not easy. Where we play secret hidden finger jutsu.
Gancho! Come on, I just found the trace. You'll find the refuse of a cunt.
Yeah, nice little beer stand right here.
Yeah. Chemicals are sharp. It's also remarkable how sharp everything is.
Yeah.
It's all razors. You can't do any rock climbing on there, you just tear yourself apart.
Yep.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Some dinosaurs now.
Right, we're here in Jurassic Park. There's some dinosaurs. Points to the first one to spot one.
I hitched a ride. I know. Little pirate.